Having trouble making your restaurant startup discussions effective? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Hosting a productive at-home group discussion is easier than you think. First, set up a cozy space where everyone feels comfortable to share openly. Invite your business partners, family or friends, anyone who supports your journey. Start by sharing your stories. Talk about mindset challenges and breakthroughs. Then, dive into those insights together. Identify the common themes. Share the unique strategies that worked for you. Finally, reflect on what you've learned and offer each other support. This collaborative approach builds a strong network and provides fresh perspectives. Ready to take your restaurant startup to the next level? Start your journey today by enrolling in our course.